Hey guys, what's up? So I just noticed the analytics of my YouTube channel and I found that in year 2021, 97.5% of the people around the globe haven't subscribed to my channel and they are my regular viewers. So I humbly request you all to please subscribe to my channel as well. Do turn on the bell icon for all the latest updates and as it will just motivate me to put forth some more good content for you guys and it will make me happy too. So yeah, thank you so much.
Hey guys, hope you have liked my video. So if you liked it, then do give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Apart from this, if you want my notes or my projects in PDF, then do mail or DM me on my Instagram account. Links are given in the description. So see you all there. Till then, bye, take care and stay safe.